Hello everyone, this is Ankur Sahan. Today we will discuss about multi-touch technology. What is multi-touch technology? Multi-touch refers to the ability of a touch sensing surface to detect or sense input from two or more points of contact simultaneously. Means multi-touch is using the smartphones or tablets, and in these gadgets we are using two or more fingers to contact it and use it in different ways. It is based on capacitive sensing, which makes use of capacitive material to hold the charge. When touched by the user, the charges at that point changes, resulting in a single signal being conveyed to the processor, which in turn interprets multiple such signals to figure out the position and pressure of the user touch. Multi-touch technology presents a wide range of new opportunities for interaction with graphical user interface, allowing expressive gestural control and fluid multi-user collaboration. History of multi-touch technology. Multi-touch technology is developed in the University of Toronto in 1980s. In 1984, Bell Labs engineered a multi-touch screen that could manipulate images with more than one hand. PP is a company founded by New York University consulting research scientist J.Y. Han that creates wall displays and tables that can accommodate up to 20 fingers. He also introduced FTIR, that is Frustrated Total Internal Reflection technique, to multi-touch screens. Now we will discuss about the working of multi-touch technology. Basically, the multi-touch works in several different ways. Means that it works with the different technologies. Uh, First one is the capacitive touch technology and the resistive touch technology, optical touch technology, and infrared technologies. There are many different kind of technology that add multi-touch functionality to touch screens. One way is capacitive touch screen. A capacitive touch screen consists of a glass panel with a capacitive material coating its surface. Circuits located at corners of a screen measures the capacitance of a person touching the overlay. The other one is optical touch technology. In this way, a camera recognizes your finger taps from behind the screen. This technology is allowed to get unlimited touch points. And the third one is infrared technology. Uh, your fingers are recognized by infrared light from the surrounding frame. The position of each finger is calculated by the distance of the position to the frame it has in the frame area. And then the new technology that was invented is FTIR, that is Frustrated Total Internal Reflection. In frustrated total internal reflection, if another material touches that within which the light is reflecting, the reflection is frustrated, causing the light to escape. In this, the mesh of infrared is generated on the screen, and the frustration is created on the surface of if touched. And the touched position is detected by the camera or the sensor behind the screen. The blobs, that is bright luminescent objects, are created and sent to the tracker. Tracker communicates with the application and sends the result to the process. This figure shows the FTIR. In this there was a screen, and when we touch that screen, then the mesh of infrared lights that is generated behind the screen is frustrated, and that location, that position is captured by the camera or the sensor behind the screen, and send the information of that point to the process. Advantage of multi-touch technology are flexibility, that as the screen content can be modified to the developer need, he can simulate input devices such as the keyboards or tasks like technical drawing by creating an adequate virtual reproduction. This makes touchscreen a very flexible user interface system. Multitouch technology is fast. That is, as user can employ both their hands or also different devices in combination with their hands at the same time. They are able to make significant improvements regarding the time a task takes to be computed. The next advantage is simultaneous usage. Finger touches can be varied in pressure sensitivity and angle, and hands can be used to express a variety of gestures, like by tilting, flicking, and catching, or forming any conceivable kind of design. Like the gestures that are used generally used in the smartphones or the tablets are pinching in, pinching out to zoom in or zoom out. These are used. These are a great advantage of multi-touch technology. Next, the disadvantage or the limitations of multi-touch technology. Occlusion. That is a multi-touch system complicate the occlusion problem as several fingers, hands or devices are clouding even more parts of the touchscreen that on than on single touch devices. This can however be eased by using clever interface designs approaches as Wu and Balakrishna confirmed. And the other limitation is it includes the sensors of the camera which takes up some amount of space. And the next limitation is lack clear distinction. You need a device of a certain size that explicitly can handle appropriate input tools such as a stylus, additionally to be useful hands and finger recognition. Also, even though touchscreen can adapt very closely to a vast number of application purposes, the application or the places where this multi-touch technology is used. Mainly, these are used in the personal computers, that is PC, and the laptops, graphic tablets. It supports both LCD and CRT monitors. It is also applicable in telephone, watches, mobile phones, and the most important for the youth, that is advanced multi-touch gaming with high graphics support. This is a main application which is widely used by the most of the teenagers to play games, and the example of that is the PUBG. Conclusion of this is that touchscreens are the interface for the 21st century. Multitouch technique using FTIR, that is frustrated total internal reflection, is simple and easy to implement. It provides any resolution display supported with high graphics. And one more drawback of that is being a camera based, it requires a significant amount of space. Thank you.